Bazala Bamzito, welcome to Life with Mark Jenny. I am Umaka Jenny. On this channel, we are unpacking all the trending topics, and today's topic is about our prank star, Ukos Klubi. So we know that Ukos Klubi just reached 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Congratulations to Ukos Klubi. He is indeed the king of YouTube, guys. Let's just be honest. Especially good into ebona bayenza kule yabo phela la ku-YouTube sinemigangatho ama-department, so kulo department yabo into yabo hayi, he is the king. Guys, numbers, they don't lie. That means a lot of people, they are watching content Ukos Klubi. A lot of people love content Ukos Klubi, and a lot of people subscribe to content Ukos Klubi. 1 million subscribers, because 1 million people just believe in your content, believe in you, and they like your content. Understand? Even viewing your content, you could see that he is making money, and there are people that really love a content Ukos Klubi. That, guys, we know that Ukos Klubi and Nosima, they are in a relationship, but they went back together, and now I saw the video on TikTok. They were posting 3 years and still counting. Can't wait to put a ring on you. Gusho Ukos Klubi and TikTok Ukos Klubi. But again, yesterday I also saw a video where Ukos Klubi posted on the YouTube channel, like the main channel, announcing that Yena and Nosima, they've unfortunately broke up, which I do not believe it, guys. Knowing Nosima, I don't know, Nosima these days, we are cool. Knowing Nosima, I don't think Nosima will just keep quiet, but we'll see on the next episode of Spreading Rumors, because yesterday I did watch Spreading Rumors. Nosima didn't say anything about the breakup, and I've checked Instagram, Gasim. There are still pictures Wagasima no Ukos Klubi there. So I don't know how true is this. A lot of people, guys, they don't believe it. They do not even care, because they are saying Ukos Klubi is just doing this for views, and maybe Nosima is the one must open the camera. Since they've pranked us about the car, a lot of people, they know that Ukos Klubi is all about pranks, but he has never done a prank like this. So I guess now we are prank and my viewers. Guys, because a lot of people do love Sima, I also do love Nosima. So a lot of people, they were saying Ukos Klubi doesn't deserve Nosima, and if Atwana Nosima, it will be hard for him to get umuntu ofana Nosima. Then abanye, they were saying, because we know that Usia, which is ex-girlfriend Ukos Klubi, and Ajin, they broke up, guys, and there are also now allegations that they are back together. So people are saying Ukos Klubi mhlambe ubuyelane noSiya, because we know that Ukos Klubi does, after to break up and Nosima, that break up, as long as he will always go back to ex's wife, understand? Or if they had a fight, like that time we've seen a poster video with that lady in Kotliwe, like the other girlfriend, the other ex-girlfriend, the one who are color wati ngawungwenzeni. So maybe namanje nje uzobuyela to one of the ex-girlfriends. I don't know, do I believe Ukos Klubi? No, I don't believe Ukos Klubi. But if, as he said, they are not happy and they've decided to part their ways, if they've decided and no one cheated, agna scandal, so guys, I guess maybe they grew apart, and maybe uNkulunkulu babekele vele ukuthi bangashadi. So for now, that is all. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.